2002 Ford Taurus twin cam, actually quad cam. It's pulling a number 3 misfire. So what I did, I clamped a spark plug tester onto the negative, and I just ran a wire. I unplugged the coil, and I stuck a alligator clip inside the coil, and then ran the wire out, grounded it onto a spark plug tester. It needs a coil. I'm going to put one in it. Here's the new coil pack. A lot of people might tell you got to take the upper intake off, or when I do a tune-up to these, once in a while I take the wiper cowl off. I never take the upper intake off. It's easier to just take the wiper cowl off, so I don't understand why people are doing that. But these coils, a lot of people think you gotta take a bunch of stuff apart, and you don't. You can get in there, you just can't see what you're doing really. So I'm just gonna do it my way. First thing I'm gonna do is get this vacuum line off of here, because it's on top of the coil pack, so it's in the way. There's 2 there. There's one on the EGR valve here. There's a big fat one down on the intake down here. I think I fixed this once already because it kept popping off, so I put a zip tie on it to be cheap. And this whole thing just comes off in one piece, like so. That way it's out of your way. I'm going to want to mark the tops of these. These are still factory wires and they are numbered, but some of them I can't see because they're buried really good. So I just went and Googled the firing order so I can mark the tops of these. There, now I know how they go back on. Now I just got to reach in and unplug all of these. I'm going to kind of try to pull them up out of the way. The ones for the rear cylinder, I don't want them falling down. The ones for the front cylinder, them ain't no big deal. Yeah, see, I got bungee cords just kind of lightly pulling on them so they don't get in my way. I got 3 T25 Tauruses holding this on here. Sorry I can't give you a better view, but yeah, this is the part where you just kind of got to feel your way around. It's really no big deal. You want to make sure you bolt that back on too. Don't forget that thing. There's one more in the back. I'm actually going to try to get it to it with a really long extension and a swivel. I can see it plain as day from right here. There, I got it loose, and I can just let it kind of fall down so I can get this plug off of here. There, and just fish it out this way. I got it. Why people tell you need to take an intake manifold off, I have no idea. And getting these started is about the funnest part of the whole job. Oh, I can just use this fancy swivel socket for the whole thing. Oh, make my life a little easier even. That's it. It's a real quick, easy job. I can't believe people take an intake manifold off to do this. Okay, bye.